tomato rasam. For this I have taken 1 cup toor dal, two medium size tomatoes and a small marble size of tamarind. I am going to rinse toor dal and I'm going to pressure cook all three toor dal, tomato and tamarind now. Next I am taking 2 or 3 pinches mustard seeds, 2 or 3 pinches cumin seed, next few curry leaves, 1.5 teaspoon salt, 2 pinches hing and little bit of turmeric. I am heating oil approximately 1.5 teaspoon. Next I am adding mustard seeds. Just let it crack, wait for a minute. Next cumin seed, curry leaves. Next I am adding salt, hing and turmeric. Mix everything. Adding 2 cups of water. Next add 2 teaspoons rasam powder. Mix everything well and let the water boil. Let it come to the rolling boil. All three has cooked: tomato, tamarind and toor dal. And then next I'm going to take this tomato and tamarind out. After taking this tomato and tamarind in the place, just mash it with the fork roughly. Now after mashing, add this to this water, boiled water. Slowly add it. This toor dal also to this boiled rasam water. Slowly mix it well. Now boil it for 5 minutes. I boiled it for 5 minutes on high flame. Now it has come to the rolling boil. Now at this point check for the salt. If everything is perfect, transfer it to the serving bowl. Now this rasam is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. This is another instant tomato rasam. For this I have taken 4 small tomatoes. These are just bigger than limes. Boil these tomatoes. I'm adding water just to immerse them. These tomatoes are boiled. Taking them into the plate. Next, I'm peeling them. Peeled all the tomatoes and I'm mashing with the fork roughly. Then back to the water. Approximately I'm adding 2 more cups of water to this. I have taken the other pan for seasoning and I have added approximately 1.5 teaspoon oil to that. Next I'm adding mustard, and then approximately quarter teaspoon cumin seed, 1 slit green chili, few curry leaves, and I have switched off the stove. Next I am adding salt, turmeric, one-third teaspoon black pepper powder. Add everything, mix it. Next add this seasoning to the boiled tomatoes. Let it boil for 5 more minutes. Mix everything. Next I am adding few coriander leaves, and this is optional. Mix it well and boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now tomato rasam is boiled for 15 minutes. Check for the taste. If required, boil it for some more time. While seasoning, I have forgotten to add this fenugreek powder. Just 2-3 pinches of fenugreek powder I am adding now. Do not add much. The rasam may turn bitter. This fenugreek powder is also optional. In case if you add, do not add much. Now the tomato rasam is ready. Transferring it into the serving bowl. Now this is ready. It can be served with rice. If you like, you can take it with idli or dosa as well. Thanks for watching. First I'm heating oil, then I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let them crack, and then I'm adding cumin seed, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera, then I'm adding 1 red chili. This is very spicy chili, so I'm adding only 1. Next I'm cutting this tomato into small pieces, and then I'm adding it 1 small tomato. Then saute it for a minute. Next I'm adding water, 1, 4 cups of water. Next I'm adding 1 teaspoon of rasam powder, adding 1 tablespoon 1 teaspoon of salt, and then stir it well so that the rasam powder and salt should be properly mixed in it. I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric as well. Stir it well. Keep the lid on top. Now take out the. I'm using this tamarind water. Take this tamarind juice. This tamarind juice, I'm adding it to this. Stir it well. And then keep the lid on top, and one side you need to keep it open. Take off the lid. Stir it. If you keep it on the low flame, you need to boil it for 30 or 40 minutes, 30 to 40 minutes. And if you keep it on the medium flame, it will get completed in 20 minutes. And you need to be careful because it might spill if you cover it totally with the lid. You need to keep it open one side little bit. Now switch off the flame, and the rasam is ready. This rasam can be served with rice, idli, or dosa.
Thank you.
Please subscribe if you like this video.